So for today's lesson, we're looking at two different ways to think about theme. Theme is important to not only our independent reading, but also our core novel reading. And to help us better understand it, we're going to use our independent reading books, our personal pleasure book, to write a letter and explain what we've discovered about theme. Basically, when we're reading, we come across two different ways to think about theme. One thing that happens in our mind is either that we suddenly figure out that the story has a bumper sticker theme, as I call them, or a topical theme. So to make things make sense, let me just explain. Right now we're reading Warriors Don't Cry, and one of the reasons I can say that Warriors has a topical theme is because I'm coming up with these bigger ideas. For instance, in Warriors Don't Cry, I'm thinking that the book has a lot to do with equality and fairness, and maybe the idea of acceptance, even respect. I come up with these ideas of topics that I would be able to write about and explain. I can say that Warriors Don't Cry is not a book with a bumper sticker theme over on this side, because bumper sticker themes are basically cliches. This cliche, slow and steady wins the race, really doesn't have anything to do with Warriors, and it wouldn't even fit. Good always triumphs over evil is another bumper sticker or cliche, and good does not always triumph over evil in Warriors Don't Cry. What goes around comes around is another example of a bumper sticker theme, and that doesn't always happen in our story so far for Warriors Don't Cry. And honesty is the best policy. Well, it could work, but that's not the overall thinking. So what are we trying to do here? Theme is really about what's the lesson that the author wants me to learn by the end of this entire book or as I'm reading. So my question to you is, what type of theme are you seeing in your independent reading, not Warriors? Are you seeing a bumper sticker theme or a topical theme? So once you identify in your letter tonight, this is the type of theme I'm seeing, I want you to tell me, well, what is the bumper sticker or topical theme? And then use details from the book to explain how that theme applies and show me what you're reading. So write a letter, Dear Mrs. G, tell me what novel you're reading for independent reading, and then explain to me what type of theme are you discovering in your reading.